Temperatures yesterday on Sunday got up to 70 degrees for some of us, including right here in Lincoln. But if you thought this was warm, tack on another 5-10 degrees for the forecasted highs across the state today. We are in for a very warm day today, likely going to be the warmest day of the year. As we get into the afternoon, some west and southwest winds will pick up and help us to get there. Right now, fairly calm conditions, mostly clear skies as we look over the Telegraph District here in Lincoln. 33 degrees right now at the airport, 34 down in Beatrice. Temperatures are a little warmer where there's a little bit more wind. Looking at Nebraska City, namely the 40s out toward Hastings, Grand Island, and Kearney as we approach almost 7 o'clock here this morning. Here's a look at those highs. I think we'll get up to about 80 degrees here in Lincoln, which would set a new record for March 10th. The old record being 78 degrees from back in 2014. There's what I mean. There's a little bit more wind in Nebraska City, 10 to maybe 15 miles per hour at times toward Grand Island, Kearney, and Hastings. But here in Lincoln, I think our gusts will approach 30 and 35 miles per hour this afternoon, which will help lead to an extreme fire danger risk later on today. And not only for us, but most of the state, we just have very dry air and very dry vegetation in place that anytime the winds kick up, that can contribute to extreme fire behavior, meaning fires can spark quickly and get out of hand quickly on days like today. So you'll want to listen to any of your local officials for burn bans and things like that. Mostly clear skies, satellite, a few more clouds in northern Nebraska. As you look at satellite this morning, there will be a cold front that comes through later tonight that will knock us back by about 20 degrees, but no precipitation expected with that. What is expected to bring us some precipitation by the end of this week is this deepening system that'll likely be more reminiscent of a spring system with some severe weather potential on one side and winter on the other. So this is looking Friday morning. The system continues to deepen. I've got the ISO bars on there too, indicating some blustery winds again. Likely not to the magnitude that we saw with a blizzard last week, but we could still be talking about 40 to 45 to maybe 50 mile per hour wind gusts with some rain Friday evening, some severe potential further east, and then some snow starting out in western Nebraska. And as this system lifts to the north and east, some snow trying to continue through northeast Nebraska through early Saturday. So that snow potential is there for mainly western Nebraska and a little bit into northeast Nebraska for now. This is an early look at these details. This will be a system to kind of keep up with us as we continue to post updates through the week. And then the severe potential off to the east, eastern Iowa down through Texas and Louisiana, with the higher chance through Missouri and portions of Arkansas, Memphis, and Little Rock. But here throughout this week, I think for us, rain, some thunderstorms will be possible. We may see a few flakes mix in on the back end, but likely we'll see rain into Saturday morning before we're warming right back up. Very reminiscent of a spring forecast when you're looking at temperatures quickly dipping and then quickly warming up here and there with St. Patrick's Day next Monday.